Hello student, I am Gaurav Swasto. Hope you all are fine. As you know that classes are going online, so I am going to explain this chapter.
Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of mathematics. Today I am going to start unit 25, that is probability. Now let's begin. First of all, we have to know what is the probability. Probability means possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. Probability has been introduced in maths to predict how likely events are to be happen. Now, after that, we have to move to the next one, that is event. So, event, the collection of some or all possible outcomes is called an event. This is the definition of event. Now, after that, we have to know probability of occurrence of an event. So, let E be an event, then the probability of occurrence of E is defined as PE, probability of event, equals to number of probable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now it is exercise time. So exercise 25A, question number 1. First part. A coin is tossed. What are all possible outcomes? So the answer of this is, when a coin is tossed, we get outcomes 2 as head or tail. Now the second part. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. What are all possible outcomes? So the answer of this one is, when two coins are tossed together, we get possible four outcomes as head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. Now the third part. A die is thrown. What are all possible outcomes? So the answer of this one is, a die is thrown, we get possible outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the fourth part. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. What is the number of all possible outcomes? So the answer of this one is, from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is at random drawn. We get the possible outcomes is 52. Now we will move to the next question. The next question says that a bag contains 5 white, 6 red and 4 green balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball is first one green, then second white, and the third one is non-red? So the answer of this one is, solution is this one. In a bag, there are 5 white, 6 red, and 4 green balls. So possible outcomes will be 5 plus 6 plus 4 equals to 15. Now the formula we have to use is probability of event equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. So one ball is drawn at random, then first one, we have to find the probability of a green ball. So first one, so probability of a green ball equals to 4 upon 15. Here 4 is the number of green balls. So number of probable outcomes is 4 and total number of possible outcomes is 15. So we will write 4 upon 15. Now the second one, probability of a white ball. So here white ball is 5. So we will write number of favorable outcomes equals to 5 and total number of possible outcomes is 15. So 5 upon 15, and here when we cut 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, so the answer will come 1 upon 3. Now the third part, probability of a non-red ball. Here non-red balls are white and green. So here when we add 5 white balls and 4 green balls, it is the number of favorable outcomes, and total number of possible outcomes will be 15. So 5 plus 4, it will come 9 upon 15. 9 and 15 can be cancelled by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15. So the value will come, means the probability of an non-red ball is 3 upon 5. Now we will move to the next question. Now question number 3. One card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is first king, Second, a spread. Third one, a red queen. Fourth one, a black 8. So the solution of this one is a card is drawn at random from a deck of well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So probability will be 52. Now the formula we have to use in this one is probability of an event equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now the first part, probability of a card being a king is 4 upon 52. Now 4 and 52 can be cancelled by 4. 4 1 ja 4, and here also 4 1 ja 4, and 4 3 ja 12. So the answer of this one is 1 upon 13. So probability of a card being a king is 1 upon 13. The second one, probability of a card being a spade is 13 upon 52. So 13 1 ja 13, and 13 4 ja 52. So the probability of a card being spade is 1 upon 4. Third one, probability of a card being a red queen. So here 2 upon 52. 2 1 ja 2, and 2 2 ja 4, and 2 6 ja 12. So the probability of a card being a red queen is 1 upon 26. Now the fourth one, probability of a card being a black 8 is 2 upon 52. Now 2 1 ja 2, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12. So probability of a card being a black 8 is 1 upon 26. Now we will move to the next one, that is homework time. Solve exercise 25A from R.S. Agrawal. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.